Welcome to Ridji. Now we are going to start the exercise 3D here. 3D, the speciality of this chapter is completely we have all the questions that are based on determinants only. Let's have a look for exercise 3D here. And in this exercise, the first bit, find the determinants of the following matrices. The first bit, find the determinants of following matrices. In this bit, first question is, the first question is 2 1 1 minus 5. The first matrix is given 2 1 1 minus 5. This is the matrix he is given. To find determinant for this matrix here, so determinant is nothing but it is in the form of A B C D. The determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is modulus of AD minus BC. This is the modulus of, this is the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix. In that manner we need to find the value. So the modulus value of AD minus BC, it is nothing but 2 into minus 5, 2 into minus 5, 2 into minus 5, minus of 1 into 1. Why? Because A into D minus B into C, that is equal 2 5 ja minus 10, minus of 1 into 1, that is minus 1, that is equal to minus 11. This is the first question here. And the second question, alternately we will solve the questions 1 3 5 7 like that. And the third question is I 0 0 minus I. This is the third question here. This is also a 2 by 2 matrix here, 2 by 2 matrix. Let's find the determinant, det of this A, det of A, or we can write mod of A. I am taking this matrix A, this matrix is A, and determinant is denoted by det of A or modulus of A. So let's find mod of I into minus I, minus of 0 into 0, that is equal here I into I minus I square minus 0. This can be written as minus I square. The value of I square is equal to minus 1. Since the value of I square value is minus 1 according to complex numbers, and minus of I square, that value is minus 1, minus into minus become plus 1. The determinant of this value is mod of A is equal to 1 for this question. And the next fifth question from the bit is, let's solve the fifth question here. I am solving alternate questions here. Fifth question is nothing 1 4 2 and 2 minus 1 4 and minus 3 7 6. This is a 3 by 3 matrix he is given. This is a 3 by 3 matrix is given, and we need to find determinant of this matrix here. I am assuming this matrix is A. So A is equal det A or mod A, that is equal, we have a formula A B C D E F G H I J. In classical method we need to close this row and this column. According to that we need to solve, and I am erasing this one here, and We need to find the determinant. Determinant is nothing but first modulus of A11, eliminate the row and column which is having 1 here, 1 into minus 1 into 6, minus 1 into 6 minus of 4 7 ja 4 into 7. This is the total bracket of this one. Observe clearly here, this bracket is for minus 1 and this bracket is for this one and this bracket is this for this one and this is bracket for total, and here negative symbol will come here. Why? Because here this is a 8 1 2, 4 into eliminate the row and column which is having 4 here, 2 into 6, 2 into 6, 2 into 6 minus of next 3 into minus 4, 3 into minus 4 here. Here bracket is closed, and the final one A 3 1, 2 into eliminate the row and column which is having 2 here and the find the determinant. 2 7 ja 2 into 7, 2 into 7 minus 1 into minus 3, minus 1 into minus 3, and let's solve this expression finally. This is modulus closed here, modulus closed here, and this is equal to mod of 1 into minus 1 into 6 minus 6 minus of 4 7 ja 28, minus of 4 into 2 6 ja 12 minus 2 6 ja 12 minus 3 into minus 4 minus 12, that is plus 12 again, minus into minus become plus, into plus 2 into 2 7 ja 14, minus into minus become plus, minus 1 minus into minus become plus, 1 into 3 3 minus 3, and modulus closed here. And the next step is modulus of minus 6 minus 28, that is minus 34, minus 34 into 1, that is minus 34 again, minus 1, 12 into 12 24, 12 plus 12 24, 24 4 ja here, 24 4 4 ja 16, 4 3 2 4 ja 8, 8 plus 1 96, minus 96 here, and plus 2 into 14 minus 3, 14 minus 3 is nothing but 11, and 11 2 ja 22, and these two are negative values. First we need to add these two numbers and we need to add this number. Minus 34 minus 96, 0 1 13, minus 130, minus 130 plus 22, that is minus 108, that is equal to minus 108. This is the determinant of value of this matrix, that is equal to mod of A is equal to minus 108. And the next question is seventh question from the first bit. Seventh question from first bit, that is seventh question, that is, and 1 2 minus 3 given matrix is 1 2 minus 3 and 4 minus 1 7, 4 minus 1 7 and 2 4 minus 6, 2 4 minus 6. This is a given matrix. It is a 3 by 3 matrix. It is a 3 by 3 matrix, and let's multiply this matrix. Let's find determinant A is equal to det A or mod of A, that is equal to modulus of 1 into eliminate the row which is having row and column which is having 1 here, A11, and minus 1 into minus 6 minus of 7 4 ja 28, 7 into 4. Direct I am writing the steps here. And next step, minus 2 into a row, eliminate the row and column which is having 2 here. 4 into minus 6, 4 into minus 6 minus of 7 into 2 here. And minus 3 into 4 into 4 here, minus 1 into 2. And here modulus is closed. And 1 into minus become plus. 6 minus 7 4 ja 28. And minus 2 into 4 into 6 minus 24. Minus 7 2 ja 14. And minus 3 into 4 4 ja 16. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus into minus become plus 2 here. And the next step, 6 minus 28 minus 22. And 2 into minus 24 minus 14, 8 minus 38. And 3 into 16 plus 2, 18 here. And the next step is minus 22, 38 into 2, that is 76 here. Minus into minus become 76. 18 3 ja 54 here. 18 3 ja 54 minus 54 here. Next, here these two numbers are negative here, so I am writing solution here. 22 plus minus 54, that is equal 76. Minus 76 plus 76. Minus 76, modulus of minus 76, again we have plus 76. This is 0 here. Det is equal to det of A is equal to 0, or mod of A is equal to 0. This is the final solution for this is 7th question. For 7th question, and the 9th question is alternately I am solving here, and the even number questions 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 you can solve by your own by using the same concept of determinant. The 7th question is completed, and the 9th question is ABC, BCA, the given matrix I am taking ABC, BCA and CAB. This is the matrix of 3 by 3 order, and I am finding solution here. Solution is nothing but here. Let's find det A or mod of A is equal modulus of A into, let's remove the row and column which is having here, CB minus A square. Next, minus B into, eliminate the row and column which is having B here, B into B square minus A into C, AC. Next, the final plus C into, eliminate the row and column which is having C here, and B into A, BA and minus C square, BA minus C into E, C square, and the modulus is closed here. And mod of ABC, if you multiply ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus ABC, minus into minus become plus ABC here, minus into minus become plus ABC, plus ABC again, and minus plus into minus become minus C cube here, and here ABC completely we can write 3ABC. minus of a cube minus b cube minus c cube. Modulus is closed. We can write this as 3abc minus, as if you take minus as common, minus of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. This is the final determinant value of this question here. And the next question is ninth question, and the first bit second question. Next, these type of models are completed here, and you can solve the even number questions by your own. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the group. And the next question is the first bit second question. If A is equal to, is given the matrix, that is divided matrix 1 0 0 2 3 4 and 5 minus 6x, and det A is equal to 45, then find x. This is the important question for 2 marks question in IP. 2 marks question for IP. This is the important model for 2 marks question for IP exams, intermediate public examination. And the solution for this one is, first, he is given one 3x3 matrix here. He is given one 3x3 matrix here, and he is given one determinant. Directly he is given the determinant value of this matrix here, and but he missed one element here. X is missed here, the element missed here, but he is given the determinant. Then we need to find the value of x here. Let's given that A is equal 1 0 0 2 3 4 and 5 minus 6x. This is a 3x3 matrix, and also det A is equal 45 is given. And let's find det A. Det A is equal modulus of 1 into 3 of 3x minus 4 into minus 6, 4 into minus 6 bracket closed here, and this term will become minus here. This is minus 0 into this complete term will become 0 here. Why? Because 2 into x minus 4 5 is 20, and plus 0 into 0 into anything will be 0, minus 12 minus 15. So no need of these two terms. Why? Because here these zeros are there. So directly that value is 0. 1 into 3x minus become plus 4 into 6, 24. This term will become 0, this term will become 0 here. And this value is equal, he is given directly that det value is equal to 45. I am taking equating for 45. And 3x plus 24 into 1, that will give 3x plus 24. 3x plus 24 is equal to 45. Here we want only x value, so I am sending this 24 to right hand side, that is 3x is equal to 45 minus 24. 45 minus 24, that is equal to 21. 3x is equal to 21. 45 minus 24, that is 21. X is equal to 21 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja. That is equal, implies x is equal to 7. Finally we got the value x is equal to 7. This is all about the solution of this question here. And let's go for one more question in second week. Now onwards, these are the important questions models for 4 mark question in IB. Show that the second question show that modulus of BC B plus C 1 and CA C plus A 1 and A plus B 1 modulus closed here and is equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. This is the question he is given here. He is asking to show modulus of this value is equal to A minus B and B minus C and C minus A. This is not a matrix here, this is a determinant here. You need to find the determinant. So, here somewhat difficult to find the determinant here. So, I am simplifying this. Why? Because given that the modulus of BC, B plus C 1, CA, C plus A 1, AB, A plus B 1 can be. Here I am changing R2 and R3 here. I am changing. See here, why? Because R2 is changed to R2 minus R1. I am changing R2 and R3 with the base of R1. R3 minus R1. Why I am changing here? Why? Because these two elements are same. These three elements are same. So I am making this element is 0 and this element is 0, so that we can easily find the determinant of this matrix here. This is determinant of this determinant here, and the output BC, B plus C 1. I am changing only R2. R1 is common for both the transformation here, and BC, B plus C and 1. Here I am changing, subtracting R2 minus R1, CA minus BC, CA minus BC. So, B plus C 1. I am writing for space of. Next, B plus C minus of C plus A. I am taking brackets here. Why? Because these are here two terms are there. Here only one term is there. That's why I am not taking bracket here. These are two terms are there. That's why I am taking bracket here. 1 minus 1. R2 minus R1. That is 0. And R3 minus R1. AB minus BC. AB minus BC. AB minus BC. And A plus B. A plus B. Here R2 minus R1. That's why it is C plus A. C plus A minus B plus C. And R3 minus R1, A plus B minus B plus C, and R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now, here I am taking determinant for this one. I am taking determinant for this one. So, if you take B for BC, so this row and this row and this column are eliminated. 0 into anything will be 0, 0 into anything will be 0. This is 0, this is 0. If you take B plus C here, eliminate the row and column which is having BC. This number and this value will become 0. This is one, this number, this value and this value will be 0. That's why I am taking simply the 1 into this value and this value. 1 into here C as common here. If you take C as common, B A minus B. If you take C as common in these two terms, A minus B is the answer. A minus B minus of. Just we need to multiply this total value here. This value with this value. So I am expanding here. A plus B minus into plus, minus into minus, minus into plus minus, and minus into plus minus again. So plus into minus C, minus into plus minus B. So plus B minus B will get cancelled, and minus of AB, AD minus BC. In that manner I am calculating here AD minus BC here. So 1 into, if you eliminate the row and column here, this is the matrix here. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. I am multiplying these two terms here, these two elements here. So while multiplying, I am taking C as common here. C into A minus B into this value. So directly I am solving here. A plus B I am writing here, and I am removing this bracket here. So while removing this bracket, this sign will become negative and this sign will become negative. So that plus B minus B will get cancelled. That is the answer. In that similar way, so I am writing this value here. C plus A, I am removing bracket for this one, plus into minus, and plus into minus. So here plus C minus C will get cancelled into this value and this value. This is the value into AD here, B as a common here. If you take B as common, B into A minus C. This is the final expression for this one, and let's multiply 1 into here C into A minus B and here A minus C. A minus C here. Next, A minus, the remaining terms here, A minus B here, A minus B into B into A minus C. This is one term and this is one term. So here A minus B, A minus C, A minus here, these two terms are common here. These two, this term and this term and this term and this term. And here two terms are common. So if you take these two terms are common, A minus B into A minus B and A minus C as common, and the remaining terms are here C, here B, that is C minus B. Here the final expression for this is, if you take A minus B and A minus C, B minus C. Here C minus C is there, here B minus C is there. I am taking minus is common for two terms, A minus B. Here if you take minus 1 is common, it will become C minus C. If you take minus 1 is common here, it will become B minus C. Here these two terms are interchanges. Minus 1 into minus 1, that will become plus 1 here. That is A minus B into C minus A and B minus C. So this is the final expression that's finally shown. B plus BC, B plus C 1, CA, C plus A 1, AB, A plus B 1 gives A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Once again I am solving here. Given that this is the given determinant here, we need to show A minus B into B minus C into C minus A here. I am changing the R2 with respect of R1 and R3 with respect of R1 here. R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. So that these two terms will become 0 here. I am writing the terms here. If you have any doubt, here only you can change this here. This is also one more concept here, BC, B plus C, 1. If you take C as common here, A minus B. And if you convert this also here, C plus A minus B minus C and 0. If you have any doubt, B into A minus C and A plus B minus C 0. Here you can cancel plus C minus C, and here also you can cancel plus B minus B. So that easily you can find the result. And so directly I am taking steps to this type. That's why this is somewhat difficult for you. This is a shortcut trick to find. One more step is added to solve this question here. And the next question in second bit is, the next question show that B plus C mod of B plus C C plus A and A plus B and A plus B, B plus C and C plus A, A B C, A B C is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. This is the question is given here, and here is asking to find the second question, that is mod of B plus C, C plus A plus B and A plus B, B plus C, C plus A B C is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3AB. We need to show this one. For this determinant we need to show this expression here, and the solution is B plus C, C plus A plus B, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A B C. So it is a 3/3 determinant here. Directly I am multiplying here. See here, B plus C into mod of this here. Eliminate the row and column which is having B plus C here. Mod of B plus C and C plus A and B C, so that you can easily understand here. And the second term, C plus A, minus of C plus A into mod of, eliminate the row and column which is having C plus A plus B, A plus B, C A plus B, C plus A and AC. And the final term is A plus B here, A plus B plus A plus B mod of, eliminate the row and column which is having A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C and AB. After finding the determinant for this one, here 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2 determinants are appeared here, and the solution for this one is B plus C into the determinant for this one, B plus C into B plus C into C, BC plus C square. Can I write directly B into C, or else we need to write one more step here to get confusion. B plus C into C minus of C plus A into B, C plus A into B and C plus A, this is bracket for this one, C plus A into A plus B into C, A plus B into C minus of C plus A into A and A plus B into B, A plus B into B minus of B plus C into A. This is the final multiplication here, and B plus C into BC plus C square minus of, I am removing bracket as well as multiplying here. See, two steps are involved here. I am removing bracket, at the same time I am multiplying. BC minus into minus AB, minus into plus AB. Next, this is for only this one. No need to mention here. This is brackets only. These are brackets only. No need to mention determinants here. The final one. This is and C plus A into AB, A into C, AC plus B into C, BC minus, I am multiplying A as well as removing bracket here, AC minus A square, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus, and here bracket closed again, plus A plus B into A into B, AB plus B into B, B square. I am removing and multiplying at the same time, AB minus AC. Next, B plus C into modulus star. Here plus BC minus BC can get cancelled, and this is for multiplying bracket for this one, and here the final expression is c square minus ab. This is the expression for this one here, and this is the expression for next one. Here this is the bracket here closed, and this is for this one, this one, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. This multiplication is for this one, this multiplication is for this one, this multiplication is for this one. Don't get confused. And minus of c plus a, and here plus ac minus ac get cancelled, bc minus a square, and plus ab, plus a plus b, plus of a plus b. Next here plus ab minus ab get cancelled, b square minus ac. And let's multiply all the terms here. b c square, b into c square, bc square, and b into ab minus ab square. Otherwise either minus ab square. Next plus c cube, c into c square, c cube, that is c cube minus abc. This is the final complete expression, multiplication for this. Here 2 terms are there, here 2 terms are there, the product, and we are getting 4 terms. Next minus of c into b, bc square minus bc square, c into minus c into plus a square, plus a square c. Next minus complement, minus a into bc minus abc, and minus a into plus a cube. Next a into b square, ab square. Next a into ac minus ac, a square c. Next b into b plus b cube, and b into minus ac minus abc. See here, a cube, b cube, c cube I am writing here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, and 1 a minus abc, 1 minus abc, 1 minus abc, completely minus 3 abc's. So the remaining terms are plus bc square minus bc square cancel, plus minus ab square plus ab square cancel, minus ab square and plus ab square cancel, ac square and ac square get cancelled here. The remaining term is a square plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab square. Finally, hence prove a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab square. First we need to find the determinants. No need to get confusion here, no need to transform any rows and columns of this determinant here. First we need to multiply to this one, and the second we need to take this element, and third we need to take this element. So b plus c into this determinant, c plus c into this determinant, a plus b into this determinant, and finding determinants for each and every 2 by 2 determinants. So we are getting this expression here, and after multiplying we are cancelling the terms here in each case. So finally we are getting these terms here. So I am multiplying each and every 2 terms here. So that's why the negative and positive terms are eliminated here. Finally we are getting a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab square. This is all about the session for exercise of 3D here. In next session we will see next problems here.